As your truck ages, things like your exhaust gas temperature sensor, also known as an EGT sensor, can fail. A bad sensor may trigger diagnostic trouble codes, provide inaccurate readings, and even cause reduced performance. The XDP exhaust gas temperature sensor is a direct fit replacement that restores proper operation and communication with your truck's electronic systems. Each sensor is designed to meet OE specifications, so you get the same fit and function as the part that was originally equipped on your truck. In the box, you'll find the EGT sensor that comes ready to install. It's made using high-quality materials and is designed to connect directly to your factory harness for a quick, hassle-free installation. Every XDP sensor is built to match the specifications of the OEM sensor, ensuring that it delivers reliable signals to your engine and emission systems. The next time you need to replace a sensor, go with one you can trust. XDP sensors keep your diesel running like it should,